Imagine walking into Dollar Tree for a quick shopping trip, only to find brand new products that look like they came straight from Target, Costco, or even specialty home stores. Shoppers aren't buying just one, they're loading entire carts, and in some locations, employees can't restock the shelves fast enough. The real surprise isn't how good these products look. It's how unbelievably cheap they are. Some sell for 5, 10, even 20 times more at other retailers, making people wonder if Dollar Tree is actually losing money every time one leaves the store. Today, we're counting down 10 incredible new Dollar Tree products that may be the biggest bargains of the year, and by the time you reach the last one, you'll understand why so many shoppers refuse to leave the store without it. Premium glass fruit storage containers. If you happen to spot these on your next Dollar Tree trip, don't assume they'll still be there next week. Shoppers have been grabbing 2, 4, sometimes even entire stacks the moment they appear on the shelf, and it's easy to understand why once you pick one up. At first glance, they look like the kind of food storage containers you'd expect to find at Target, Costco, or HomeGoods, not at Dollar Tree. The first thing you'll notice is the weight. Unlike the thin plastic containers that often stain, warp, or crack after a few uses, these are made with thick glass that feels sturdy in your hands. The snap-lock lid creates a secure seal, making it perfect for leftovers, meal prep, fresh fruit, salads, soups, or even homemade desserts. Comparable glass containers at Walmart or Target often sell for several times the price, making this one of the biggest value surprises currently sitting on Dollar Tree shelves. They're also incredibly versatile. Prepare lunches for the week, store chopped vegetables in the refrigerator, freeze extra portions for later, or reheat yesterday's dinner without transferring everything into another dish. Having one container that moves from the refrigerator to the microwave saves both time and cleanup. Many families are also using them to organize pantry staples like nuts, dried fruit, pasta, rice, and baking ingredients. Once everything is stored in matching glass containers, an ordinary pantry suddenly looks much cleaner and more expensive. There is one thing worth remembering though. While the glass itself is durable, sudden temperature changes can cause stress on any glass container. Allow frozen fruit to thaw for a few minutes before placing it directly into the microwave, and avoid setting hot glass onto a cold countertop. A simple tip is to buy matching sizes whenever you find them in stock. Uniform containers stack more neatly, maximize refrigerator space, and make meal prep much easier throughout the week. And speaking of products that look far more expensive than they actually are, the next new Dollar Tree arrival has home decor lovers wondering why anyone would pay premium prices elsewhere. Luxury 3-wick soy candles home decor lovers aren't the only ones rushing to Dollar Tree lately. These new 3-wick soy candles are disappearing almost as quickly as they're stocked, and the reason becomes obvious the second you pick one up. The heavy glass jar, clean label design, and premium fragrance make them look like something you'd expect to find at Bath & Body Works or a high-end home decor store not sitting on a Dollar Tree shelf. What surprises most shoppers isn't just the appearance, it's the scent. Many budget candles smell strong for only a few minutes before fading away, but these candles continue filling an entire room with fragrance long after they're lit. Popular scents like vanilla cashmere, sugared lemon, fresh linen, and coastal breeze have become customer favorites because they smell far more expensive than their price tag suggests. Comparable 3-wick candles at Bath & Body Works, HomeGoods, or Target often sell for anywhere from $10 to $30, depending on the season. That's exactly why shoppers often grab 2 or 3 while they're available, instead of waiting until their next visit. By then, the shelves are usually empty. These candles aren't just for making a room smell nice. Many people use them as part of their home decor. Place one on a coffee table with a decorative tray, next to a stack of books, or beside a small plant, and it instantly gives the room a warm, cozy feeling. Others use them in bathrooms, guest bedrooms, or entryways to create a welcoming atmosphere without spending a fortune. One thing worth remembering is to trim the wick slightly before each use. A shorter wick produces a cleaner flame, reduces excess smoke, and helps the candle burn more evenly from edge to edge. It's also a good idea to allow the wax to melt completely across the surface during the first burn. Doing this helps prevent tumbling and gives you more hours of use over time. If you find your favorite scent, consider picking up an extra one for later. Seasonal fragrances often disappear once Dollar Tree rotates a new inventory, and many shoppers regret waiting too long. But while these candles make your home feel more luxurious, The next product can completely transform the way your refrigerator and pantry lookin'. It's becoming one of the fastest-selling organization items Dollar Tree has ever introduced. Acrylic refrigerator organizers. If you've spent even a few minutes watching home organization videos online, you've probably noticed one thing they all have in common: clear acrylic storage bins. Until recently, buying enough of them to organize an entire refrigerator or pantry could easily cost $50 to $100. That's why shoppers are doing double takes when they discover Dollar Tree now carries premium-looking acrylic organizers for just a fraction of what other retailers charge. The moment you pick one up, you'll notice it doesn't feel like the flimsy plastic bins many dollar stores used to sell. The walls are thicker, the edges are smooth, and the built-in handles make it easy to slide the organizer in and out of the refrigerator without everything tipping over. Similar organizers at the Container Store, Target, or Home Goods often cost anywhere from $8 to $15 each, making Dollar Tree's version feel like one of the biggest bargains in the store. The real value comes from how quickly these organizers eliminate clutter. Instead of digging through half-empty yogurt cups, cheese packages, and snack bags every time you open the refrigerator, everything has its own place. One bin can hold bottled drinks, another keeps fruit together, while another is perfect for deli meats or individually wrapped snacks. Families with children especially appreciate how easy it becomes for kids to grab a snack without pulling everything else off the shelf. These organizers work just as well outside the refrigerator. Many shoppers use them inside pantry cabinets to separate pasta, canned goods, baking supplies, seasoning packets, or breakfast items. Others place them under the bathroom sink to organize cleaning products, toiletries, or extra hand soap. Even laundry rooms and home offices become easier to manage once small items are grouped into clear containers that let you see exactly what's inside. There is one small limitation to remember. While the plastic is surprisingly durable, it's designed for everyday household storage, not for carrying extremely heavy items. Overloading the bins with large glass jars or bulky canned goods can eventually put stress on the handles. A smart tip is to measure your refrigerator shelves before buying several organizers. Purchasing matching sizes creates a clean, uniform look that maximizes storage space and makes your refrigerator feel like something straight out of a professional home makeover. And if you thought organizing your home on a budget was impressive, wait until you see the next new Dollar Tree product. It's a kitchen tool that's outperforming knives costing several times as much. Stainless steel kitchen knife. Kitchen gadgets come and go, but every once in a while, Dollar Tree releases a product that completely surprises shoppers. This stainless steel kitchen knife is one of those rare finds. At first glance, it looks like an ordinary budget knife, but once you hold it, you'll understand why so many people are grabbing one the moment they see it. The first thing you'll notice is the balance. Instead of feeling light and flimsy like many inexpensive kitchen knives, this one has a solid, comfortable grip that gives you much better control while slicing. The stainless steel blade feels surprisingly sharp right out of the package, making it ideal for cutting fruits, vegetables, sandwiches, bread, and even cooked meats without struggling through every slice. Comparable kitchen knives at Walmart, Target, or Amazon often cost anywhere from $10 to $20 for similar quality. That's exactly why shoppers are doing double takes when they realize Dollar Tree is offering something that performs far above its price point. For many families, it has become the perfect everyday knife for quick meal prep without reaching for their expensive kitchen set. It's also become popular among college students, first-time homeowners, and anyone putting together a kitchen on a budget. Instead of spending hundreds of dollars on a complete knife block, people are picking up a few quality basics like this and building their collection over time. Even experienced home cooks are buying an extra one to keep as a backup because they know deals like this rarely stay around for long. Of course, no knife lasts forever without proper care. Although the blade is made from stainless steel, hand washing is still the best option. Leaving it in a dishwasher can gradually dull the cutting edge and shorten its lifespan. Drying it immediately after washing also helps keep the blade looking clean and performing at its best. Here's a simple tip that many home cooks recommend. Use a separate cutting board for vegetables and another for meat. Not only does this help keep the blade sharper for longer, but it also improves food safety and prevents cross-contamination during meal preparation. If you happen to spot several of these on the shelf, don't be surprised if they're gone by your next visit. But as impressive as this knife is, the next new Dollar Tree product has coffee lovers wondering why they ever paid premium prices for the same experience. Reusable glass coffee cups. If you've walked into a coffee shop recently, you've probably noticed that reusable glass coffee cups have become more than just drinkware. They've become part of the lifestyle. That's exactly why Dollar Tree's newest reusable glass coffee cups are creating so much excitement. Shoppers are picking them up, checking the price twice, and wondering how something that looks this premium can cost so little. The first thing that stands out is the design. The clear glass body gives it a clean, modern appearance, while the fitted lid makes it practical for both hot and iced drinks. Sitting on a kitchen counter or office desk, it looks remarkably similar to reusable cups sold by Starbucks, Target, or specialty kitchen stores. In many cases, comparable glass coffee cups sell for anywhere between $15 and $25, making Dollar Tree's version feel almost too good to be true. For coffee lovers, it's an easy way to upgrade the daily routine without spending a fortune. Whether you're making an iced caramel latte, cold brew, matcha, homemade lemonade, or even fruit-infused water, the cup instantly makes homemade drinks feel more enjoyable. Many people have even started creating home cafe stations with these cups, pairing them with reusable straws, coffee syrups, and decorative trays to recreate the coffee shop experience right at home. The cup isn't just about appearance either. Because it's made from glass, it won't absorb odors or flavors the way plastic cups sometimes do. That means your morning coffee won't leave behind a lingering smell when you switch to water or tea later in the day. It's also much easier to keep looking clean with regular washing. There are a couple of things to keep in mind. While the glass is durable for everyday use, it isn't designed to survive hard drops onto tile or concrete floors. It's also a good idea to avoid pouring boiling water into a cup that's been sitting in the refrigerator, since sudden temperature changes can stress any glass product. A helpful tip is to keep one cup at home and another at work. Not only does it reduce disposable cup waste, but you'll always have your favorite drinkware ready whenever you need it. Many shoppers are buying 2 or 3 at a time for exactly that reason. But while coffee lovers are clearing these off the shelves, the next Dollar Tree arrival has beauty enthusiasts and home organizers racing to the Decor aisle before everyone else gets there. Premium acrylic bathroom organizer. Some Dollar Tree products save you money. Others make your home look like you spent a fortune. This premium acrylic bathroom organizer manages to do both, which explains why shoppers are clearing entire shelves every time a new shipment arrives. At first glance, it looks like something you'd expect to find at the Container Store, Home Goods, or Target. But the price tag tells a completely different story. The first thing you'll notice is the crystal clear acrylic. It has a clean, polished appearance that instantly makes any bathroom counter, vanity, or makeup station feel more organized. Instead of digging through cluttered drawers every morning, everything sits neatly in separate compartments, where you can find it in seconds. Many shoppers use it to organize makeup brushes, lipsticks, skincare products, cotton swabs, cotton pads, perfume bottles, nail polish, and everyday essentials. Others place it beside the bathroom sink to hold toothbrushes, toothpaste, razors, hand lotion, and facial cleansers. Even small spaces suddenly feel larger because everything has its own designated place. Comparable acrylic organizers at retailers like the Container Store or Home Goods often cost anywhere from $10 to $20, depending on the size. That's why people who discover this Dollar Tree version rarely buy just one. Instead, they grab several, one for the bathroom, another for the bedroom vanity, and even one for the office to organize pens, scissors, sticky notes, and charging cables. It has also become a favorite among people who enjoy creating social media-worthy spaces. Pair it with a decorative tray, a small plant, and a scented candle, and your bathroom counter instantly takes on the clean, luxury aesthetic that home decor influencers spend hundreds of dollars trying to recreate. There is one small downside worth mentioning. Like most clear acrylic products, it can develop fine scratches if cleaned with rough scrub pads or abrasive cleaners. A soft microfiber cloth with warm water is usually all you need to keep it looking crystal clear. Here's a simple tip. Avoid overcrowding the compartments. Leaving a little extra space between products not only makes everything easier to reach, but it also creates that clean, organized appearance that makes the entire room feel more expensive. And speaking of products that seem too good to be true, the next Dollar Tree find isn't for organizing your home. It's a surprisingly healthy snack that's convincing shoppers to skip the grocery store and stock up while they still can. Healthy snack finds. Most people don't expect to discover healthy snacks at Dollar Tree, but that's exactly why this section has become one of the busiest aisles in many stores. While shoppers usually head straight for chips and candy, those who know where to look are filling their baskets with surprisingly high-quality snacks that cost a fraction of what you'd pay at major grocery chains. One of the biggest surprises is the growing selection of premium nuts, trail mixes, dried fruit, and protein-packed snacks. Instead of generic dollar store brands, many locations are now carrying recognizable products made with simple ingredients and flavors you'd normally expect to find at Costco, Target, or even specialty health food stores. Take the seasoned cashews and premium trail mixes, for example. The nuts are large, crunchy, and packed with flavor, making them an easy snack for work, road trips, or afternoon cravings. Similar products at grocery stores often cost $4 to $8 per bag, while Dollar Tree continues offering them for just a small fraction of that price. That's why many shoppers don't stop at one bag, they buy several to keep at home, in the car, and at the office. These snacks are also becoming popular with people trying to make healthier choices. Instead of reaching for candy bars or sugary pastries during the afternoon energy slump, they're grabbing a handful of nuts or trail mix that provides protein, healthy fats, and longer-lasting energy. Parents are also packing them into school lunches because they're quick, convenient, and require no preparation. Officially licensed character products. The final product on today's list may be the biggest surprise of them all, because it's not just inexpensive, it's officially licensed. Anyone who shops regularly knows that licensed merchandise almost never stays cheap for long. Whether it's Disney, Marvel, Nickelodeon, or popular movie franchises, stores usually charge a premium simply because of the logo on the packaging. That's exactly why these new Dollar Tree arrivals are disappearing almost as fast as employees can stock them. From colorful drink cups and lunch containers, to snack boxes, bath accessories, notebooks, and seasonal items, Dollar Tree has quietly expanded its collection of officially licensed products. The quality is noticeably better than many people expect, with bright colors, sharp printing, and recognizable characters that kids instantly love. Parents are especially excited because these items make everyday routines a little more fun without spending a fortune. A child who normally isn't excited about packing lunch suddenly wants to carry a favorite superhero container. A themed cup makes drinking water more enjoyable, while matching accessories can turn ordinary school supplies into something kids actually look forward to using. The savings become even more noticeable when you compare prices. Similar licensed products at Target, Walmart, Disney stores, or specialty gift shops often cost anywhere from $5 to $15 each. At Dollar Tree, shoppers can often purchase several matching items for less than the cost of a single product somewhere else. That's one of the biggest reasons families buy extras whenever they find characters their children love. These products are also becoming popular as inexpensive birthday gifts, stocking stuffers, classroom rewards, party favors, and holiday gift basket fillers. Instead of spending large amounts on small presents, many shoppers are creating complete themed gift sets using multiple Dollar Tree finds. There is one thing to remember though. Licensed merchandise usually arrives in limited shipments, and once a particular character sells out, there is no guarantee it will return. Popular collections often disappear within days, especially before back-to-school season or major holidays. A simple shopping tip is to check the toy, kitchen, party, and seasonal aisles during the same visit. Licensed products are often displayed in several different sections of the store, and many shoppers miss some of the best items simply because they're looking in only one aisle. Looking at everything we've covered today, it's easy to understand why shoppers are filling their carts with these incredible new arrivals. Some offer premium quality, others solve everyday problems, and several cost a fraction of what major retailers charge. Deals like these don't usually stay on shelves for long, and that's exactly why so many people are buying them the moment they see them. Those were 10 incredible new Dollar Tree products that are making shoppers wonder how the company can afford to sell them at these prices. From premium kitchen essentials and stylish home decor to healthy snacks, organization solutions, and officially licensed merchandise, many of these finds compete with products that cost several times more at Target, Walmart, Costco, and specialty retailers. The only catch is that some of these new arrivals sell out almost as quickly as they appear, so if you spot one during your next shopping trip, you may not want to wait until next time. We'd love to know which product surprised you the most, so leave your favorite in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's countdown, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. We'll be back soon with even more hidden Dollar Tree bargains, smart shopping tips, and the newest products worth grabbing before everyone else does.